Everyone, welcome back to my blue sky. You know, I'm cooking now again. I'm cooking. Let me show you my face. Let me show you my face. Yeah, this is me. I'm currently topless. I'm topless, like you know, medication and stuff. Oops. Okay. Yeah. I'm cooking myself. My Cebulian accommodation. I don't want to be here, but you know, I don't like it here. Okay. This is my cooking. I'm making the rice now. That's the sauce I cooked for the what I'm gonna make. Yep. And again, I made some delicacies. Yep. So we got it in here. Actually, let me open the bigger one actually. The same thing, but I'll show you the difference. If you're in a bit like that, I'll come to here. Oh, no, put it here. Any place to put it. I think it's here. Let me put it here actually. It's here now. Wait for it. Wait for it. Again, I'm gonna go straight now. Topless. Yep. We go right here. Betty is back. Stop Betty me. Oh, let me just open this now. This chocolate was nice. Look, that chocolate was very nice. It was nothing. So I got. Oh, my eggs cracked. Fuck. Thinking. So I put the eggs with the meat, and behind it all, there's more meat. So it's only lamb. Oh, this is a mess here. There's a big mess here. The tomato's still there. It's lamb. There's lamb here, and the eggs, and the chicken. So this is lamb. This is chicken. There's a difference. This one's darker. This one's lighter. This is chicken. This is chicken. This is lamb. Those are eggs. So any lighter one you see is chicken. This is lamb. I marinated today. So I'm going to take a picture of this. Yep. I'm going to take a picture. I'm going to flip the camera and give you all the taste of the lamb. Oh. Quite nasty. Yummy. I'm going to come on. What was the bowl? Yeah. Indeed. Oh shit. I'm gonna go back to my cooking. My simmering of the rice anyway. It's simmering still. I'm gonna burn soon. I've got the eggs too. And that is the eggs. Yep. One egg. That's cracked as fuck, you know. Ooh, it's been done. You know, it's done, but not done well. Not well done egg. Oh my days. It's so brittle. Look at you eat the yolk. Look. I'll eat this yolk now. These are mouthfuls. Oh shit. Okay. Continue. And then I'm done. Now, about my business, OBI Nexus. Please go to youtube.com/@ oh, that's simple, like email at OBINEUSS for Sarah and Namdi. My name is spelled NNAMDI. Thank you, bye. I'm not going to my business is there. So if you go to github.com/@ OBI Nexus without Namdi, without remove that Namdi, then you know how that works. Okay. Now let's go take care. Yeah, I'll cook it more often. No, this has to be this is simmering too. Again. See, I have to cook this to it three times. I have to put 3 times of water. Only 3 times of water to do it, but you know. Goodbye. Stop.